Use 2 of these to increase coverage in a bigger house. These are a huge improvement and reach even the far corners of the building. While not 100% required, I did install the UniFi software inside of a Linux virtual machine. The install process is pretty simple and the APs were discovered right away. I did have to do some research on how to reset the APs after moving them to a different network than the UniFi software. If you are not comfortable with command line and Linux, then I'd recommend using the phone app to set things up. A big plus for the UniFi software was that I was able to set up a guest network and portal, which is really nice for when I have company. It routes straight out to the internet and cannot see any internal network addresses. Perfect for what I wanted. I have guests on a VLAN, and the APs can support up to 4 SSID each with a different VLAN number. I replace a bunch of painful boosters with 2 of these access points. My Wi-Fi in the house is much more stable and a stronger signal. They work great. I like the monitoring software as well as lots of good information. Great product. Easy setup, great bandwidth and speed with a constant connection. I've purchased the Orbi mesh system, Linksys Velop mesh systems, and have been very disappointed that the technology cannot hold a signal. Use Ubiquiti networks, you will not be disappointed. I bought this as an install in my new home. I was not getting consistent Wi-Fi in my home and was not able to get Wi-Fi in my cottage for my husband, he remotes. The APs were super easy to install and the tech support for the Ubiquiti company was very patient and answered all of my questions without any attitude. I would recommend this company with their great customer service. I installed these in our church along with a post switch and gateway. The system works wonderfully. There was a small learning curve to endure while configuring the system, but it was worth it. Thankfully, this is a rather popular wireless solution and several individuals have created installation/configuration videos that are very helpful. I am now going to install a Ubiquiti solution in my home. I would certainly recommend their wireless solution. Nothing to dislike here. When coupled with an Ubiquiti switch, these are a wonderful setup in my home and shop. Simply the best easiest wireless network I have installed. Use their switch and controller software and easy peasy done. The switch is optional, so just buy the Pro and download the controller software and it is done. These are amazing. I purchased 2 but turns out I really only to cover my entire house and part of my outside. Make no mistake, these things are no joke. I purchased these to replace an old enterprise system I was running at my house. I went through all the Orbi Netgear and Google Mesh networks, they just did not offer the speed functionality and security features these did. Given the price and the features, I will be a customer for a very long time. Click link in description for more reviews.